crayons glued down to the top. What I chose to put in as my image is I found a little girl holding an umbrella. So what I want to do is to allow the crayons to melt, but I want it to go around her. So what I'm going to do is to cut her out just a little bit so that the crayons can go around it. I'm going to be really close to the umbrella, however, because that's the area where we want the crayon to stop, and we're going to use our painter's tape to do that. I'm going to completely cover her because I don't want any of the wax to accidentally drip on top of her. Okay, now we're going to have our easel up, and I put a piece of paper on the bottom so that anything that drips off won't drip on my surface. I've got my little girl in the umbrella, and so we're going to now put some heat to these crayons. Now that we have our beautiful colors have all melted down and it looks like a rainbow rain instead of a rainy day outside, we have a colorful rain. And that rain reminds me of a verse from Deuteronomy 32, 2-3, and it says, "Let my teachings fall like rain and my words descend like dew, like showers on new grass, like abundant rain on tender plants. I will proclaim the name of the Lord. Oh, praise the greatness of our God." So